Good YouTube. Back with another video, man. It's SK the Reaper. Sorry it's been a minute, man. It's been busy. Girlfriend been moving and all that stuff. I've got the entire range to myself. I'm here at Royal Range USA. If you don't know, come and see me. But anyway, Sar USA has granted me access to this Sar 9 Turkish gun. I'm in love with it, and we're gonna shoot the piss out of this thing. See how this thing works. It does have a manual safety on it. I do like that. It's always nice to have it, just to have it. My mechanic does not have it, but let's see how this thing shoots, man. All right, we're gonna bring this thing home. And let's see what we got. Oh! All right, so if you look closely, we've got two in the middle of the nose, one in that left nostril, and we got a piece of that brain right there. And that's my first time shooting this Sar 9X. The trigger does feel good. And if you didn't know anything about the Sar 9X, NATO does outfit a good portion of their European regions with the Sar 9X. And if you know anything about NATO, they put their guns through the test. And this one has definitely survived that. So I love it. Let's shoot some more. All right, we got 3 targets. We got 2 zombies, and we got the vital guy back there. And we're gonna see how this thing shoots on the move. I think we're gonna go, let's go zombie first. Woo. All right, if you can see, zombie number 1 took one right to the jawbone. Then we hit a little bit of the sternum. Those are the first 2 shots. Should be the easiest. And then move on to vital guy. Vital dude. Caught a little bit of the, honestly, in a real world situation, I probably missed that one by a hair. If anything, that skins a little meat off the old shoulder. But we did hit center mass. And I feel like that's a hard shot right there. It's a pretty good one. Our last zombie caught one in the shoulder, one to the chest. I think these are pretty good shots. This Sar 9X is so much fun to shoot. To the slide. This thing is very stable in your hand while you're shooting. It wasn't hard to get on target. That was the easy part. I haven't found anything that I don't like about this thing yet. Sar USA, they're pushing their product hard. They came in the store today, and some of the stuff they have in store for you guys is exciting. I don't even, you know, try not to get anybody in trouble, but this Sar 9 shot phenomenal. We're gonna shoot a little bit more. I gotta run it with the AR, man. This is my 7.5-inch barrel. This is my AR pistol. It will be a 300 blackout very soon. Please stay tuned for that video. But let's see how it runs with the AR, man. We're gonna run a couple of transitions, see how it goes. I really like this thing. I'm not gonna lie. This thing is phenomenal.
Sensational.
This is definitely one of my better days. This Did I miss? Nah, no miss. No miss on this one. That's a good one. Let's go here. Man, it's a good one. We got one miss. I'm upset about that. That's on me though. All right, and we're clean here too. Nothing too low. Shoulder, cheek. Yeah, man. This SAR 9 is so much fun to shoot.
Sensational.
Looks like this one was made in Opelika, Alabama. If you're from the O, if you know about the O, shout out to y'all. My dad was actually born and raised there. So what a coincidence. But this SAR 9X. I can't stop saying it, like SAR 9X. I see why NATO likes these guns, because even from the trigger, this thing is phenomenal. Yeah. I wonder if it takes Canic mags. I see. Oh man. That is too much fun, man. Let's see, we got one stuck yet? Heck no. Man, I know this is about the SAR 9X. I'm not gonna let it steal the show. But my AR pistol build, taking steel casing and still ticking. I put over 1,000 rounds of 5.5, well, steel case 223 through this thing, and 2 malfunctioned, and that's because they were drier than Sunday chicken. So I think that we did a good job with this. But back to the SAR, man. This thing is a beast, man. I want to get a video of you guys seeing it shot from the side, so you guys can really gauge the action, and I'm gonna put it in slow-mo and all that good jazz, so you guys can really see this thing. This thing, super smooth, comes off just like a Canic, just like a Glock. Can't go wrong.